Man, I'm so bored today. I mean, there's nothing to do. Like, I'm gonna say that I know how to drive, so maybe I should get a car. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get myself a car. Yeah, let's go. Alright, here we are at the car shop. Why are there only 3 cars? It's just 3 in a row. Whatever. Hello? Oh, hello, sir. What can I do for you? I'd like to buy a car, please. Okay. Are you interested in buying one? Yeah, I am. Alright, come with me. Okay. Alright, sir. Let's take a look at those cars. They're not that much. It's just 1 or 2 of them. Yeah, I know. Alright. How about, what do you think of that one? That's not a car. That's a truck. Oh, yeah, that's a truck. I know that one's a car, but that's a police car. So you're probably not gonna buy it. Yeah, because I'm not a police officer. Alright, on to the next section. Come with me. Okay? Alright, sir. How about those 2 cars? I don't think those 2 are cars. They're probably just normal vehicles. Oh, yeah. And what's this car called anyway? Oh. This car is called a Hummer. See, it has the name on it from the windshield. And what's this car? Oh, it's called a Fisher Price. Wait, like catch a fish? No, it's just called like that. Like when you pick up something and put it in the toe and just press this button to shake it. Alright, off to the next one. Come on. Alright, sir. How about those 3 cars? Let's take a look at them. Are you interested in buying that car? Not really, because it's shaped like a boot. Oh, yeah, it does. How about that car right there in the middle? That car, probably no. Alright. Because it has this yellow thing I can push down. Alright, how about that blue car? Oh my god. This is perfect! This is the perfect car. I definitely want this one. Okay, so you want that one? Yeah. Alright, how about you take it for a test drive? Okay. Do you have your keys with you? Oh yeah, they're right in my pocket. Alright. Okay, let's take it for a test drive. Wow, I can't believe I'm driving this car. This is the coolest car ever. Alright, try to park. Alright. Alright. So you're interested in buying this car? Yes, I am, sir. Alright. So, that'll be one penny. Alright, 1 penny. Let me get. Oh, I mean, this car is 5 cents. 5 cents? Alright. My mistake. Oh, that's okay. There you go. 5 cents. Alright. Alright, you may go now and enjoy your car. Come again soon. Alright. Bye. Alright, let's drive this car. This car is so good. I'm gonna show my friends. Who can that be? I don't know. I wonder who that can be. Hello? Hey guys. Oh, hey Don. Look at my car. Whoa, you got a new car? Yeah. Where'd you get that car? From the car shop. Oh, cool. So you really like that car? Yeah, it's blue, and blue my sailor suit, and also blue's my favorite color anyway. Oh, yeah, it is. So I just came to stop by and see if you like my car. Oh yeah, we like it. Yeah, we do. Alright. So I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go running around the neighborhood. Alright. Bye, Donald. Bye, Donald. Bye. Alright, come on, Bangless Mickey. Coming. Wait, what the? Hey, Panda, you like my car? Wait, I didn't know you had a car. Yeah. Wait, you can actually drive? Yeah. Do you even have a driver's license? Yeah. Oh, well, yeah, nice car. Yeah, thanks, bye. Bye. Alright, let's drive some more. Alright, I drive to the school, but today is Sunday, and I don't have school today. I have school tomorrow. Yeah, I do. Alright, I think I'll take my car and drive back home. Alright.